Hi everybody, I'm so glad to see you all again, because today on this episode of Wreck-It Ralph and Sugar Rush Plushies, we are going to put up a show. Yeah, and we also have a new friend. Everybody, please introduce our new friend, Woody Woodpecker. Hi! Boy, I'm sure glad to see you all again. His laugh gets me. He's from the movie Woody Woodpecker. And Woody Woodpecker is not a Disney movie. No, it is it's on Netflix. You see, Glad here, even though he plays the keyboard in his Tuna Gang band, he bought himself and me 2 guitars. And Woody Woodpecker and Woody here, he made his own drums. All our friends are gathered around, and we're about to see the show. Are you all ready? Woo! Yeah! All right! Yeah! All right! I bet Pumpkin Guts is gonna love this. Goomba, shut up! Enough of the name calling. All right, boys, calm down. This is gonna be great. Heavy Cabisa! I can't wait. Let's do this. Let's do this, fellas. Enjoy the show. Woohoo! The show's gonna go really great. This is gonna make the best one yet. Perfect. All right, that was amazing. Woo! Way to go! Yeah! Ha ha! That's what I'm talking about. I call that Woody style. Oh, Woody. That was the best show ever, man. That was the best concert. It sure was. Now that's what I call fun. If you all enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And tell us in the comment section, what are your thoughts on Woody Woodpecker joining the show, joining Lloyd and Snow at his concert show? So, that's all for this video, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.